When you poll people that are of means, people that we might consider to be millionaires, 90% of them tell you that it started with buying real estate. And a majority of their holdings are in real estate. When I got out of the Marine Corps, I used to clean carpets for a living for A1 Carpet Care. And one day they sent me to Garden Grove to clean some carpets. And I walked up and this guy was pulling weeds in the front lawn. You moving in, you moving out? And he goes, no. This is one of my rentals. And I said, this is one of your rentals, huh? I said, how many rentals do you have? And he goes, this is 7, and 4 of them are paid off. And he said, well, when I was young, I scraped together the money and I bought my first house. And I lived in it for 3 or 4 years. And then I rented it out and I bought my next house. And he said, every time somebody would move out, I would raise my rent. And instead of pocketing the difference, I would take the extra money and I would pay my mortgage down quicker.
So there's a lot of talk about when the next upcoming recession is going to be. And it's really scary to hear about that. And even scarier to be like, why would I buy a house if there's a recession coming, right? So what is a recession? Does anyone know? It is when the GDP goes down for 2 consecutive quarters, okay? Did you hear anything about home values in that definition? No, right? Because actually home values can go up during a recession.
Beforehand, I felt I couldn't go anywhere. And especially being a veteran, it's kind of hard because they just kind of throw you on a website and you kind of got to dig for the information. And someone handed me Barry's number and they're like, call Barry, he's good. He was a veteran. He talks your lingo. And with all the information that Barry and the team put out, it's comforting to know that there's, like I said, someone there to help you and guide you from the beginning to end in buying your first home.